Capcut No Internet Connection Problem Fix Solution. First up, go to the Settings app and then scroll down until you see a General option. Click on the General option and then scroll down until you see a VPN and Device Management option. Here, make sure your VPN status is connected. If you do not have a VPN device settings like I have, you can go back and click on the App Store option. Here on the search bar, you can just simply search VPN option, and then after searching it up, you will have plenty of VPN options available in the App Store. I have the Fast Internet 1111 VPN installed. After installing it, you can simply open the app, and then as you can see, the VPN is currently connected. We can disconnect it by simply clicking on the button available and connect it back again by clicking on it again. Connecting to a device VPN will simply then solve your problem of Capcut of no internet connection problem. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.